In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily sync with Asana in Trello. If you're managing tasks and projects across both Trello and Asana, integrating these two platforms can save you a ton of time and effort. Instead of juggling between two tools manually, you can streamline your workflows and keep everything in sync. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to connect Asana to your Trello board using a power-up. Whether you're new to this or just looking for a refresh, this tutorial has you covered. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Trello account. If you don't have a Trello account yet, you can create one by visiting Trello.com. Once you're logged in, go to the Trello board where you want to set up the integration. Now look at the top right corner of your Trello board. You'll see a small icon that looks like a rocket ship. Click on that icon to open the Power-Ups menu. In the menu that appears, select the option that says Add Power-Ups. This will take you to a screen where you can browse and search for different power-ups to enhance your Trello experience. In the search bar, type Asana Integration by API Labs. This power-up is specifically designed to help you connect Trello with Asana. Once the search results appear, locate the Asana Integration power-up and click the Add button next to it. This action will install the power-up on your Trello board. After adding the power-up, you'll want to return to the Power-Ups menu. To do this, simply click on the rocket ship icon again. This will bring you back to the menu where you can see all the power-ups currently active on your board. Find the Asana Integration power-up you just installed and click on it. This will open up the setup process. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection between Trello and Asana. You'll likely need to grant some permissions during this step to allow the integration to function properly. Once the authorization is complete, you're all set to start using the integration. You can now sync tasks, share updates, and streamline your project management between Trello and Asana. Take a few moments to explore how the integration works and test it within your workflows. Finally, to get the most out of this power-up, I recommend visiting its page in your browser. This is where you can review its full list of features and learn how to optimize it for your specific project management needs. If you're new to Trello, or if you don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. And that's it. You've successfully synced Asana with Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.